Hello and welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Today we are going to see a very delicious and easy prawn recipe, and it's prawn masala cooked with a flavorful homemade masala which makes this recipe even more delicious and amazing. So friends, let's get started with the making of prawn masala fry. And here I have taken some medium-sized prawns which has been cleaned and deveined with tails intact. And now I'm going to season them with some salt. Next goes a pinch of turmeric or haldi powder, around 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder, and a teaspoon of lemon juice. Now we'll mix all the ingredients well over the prawns and we'll let them sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then here I have taken some whole spices like 2 small cinnamon sticks or dalchini, 8 cloves or long, 4 green cardamoms or elaichi, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn or kali mirch, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or Zeera, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds or Dhaniya, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds or Saunf, and 2 dry red chilies. And now I'm going to dry roast them. For that, heat a pan and into it we will add all the whole spices, and on medium flame we will dry roast them until the fennel seeds, coriander seeds and cumin seeds start to crackle and turn aromatic. And these are done now, so I will turn off the flame and then grind them into a coarse powder. Next, in the same pan I'll add around a tablespoon of mustard oil. Spread the oil on all the sides of the pan, and when the oil is hot, I'll add 1 medium onion, 4 large garlic pods and a small piece of ginger which has been finely chopped or minced. And on medium flame we will saute them well until the ginger, garlic and onion turn brown in color and the raw taste goes away. And by now these are well fried. At this stage we'll add the marinated prawns, and on medium to high flame we will fry the prawns well for 1 to 2 minutes until the color of the prawns slightly changes. The prawns has been well fried, and now I will cover and cook the prawns on medium flame for just 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we will remove the lid and stir the prawns. They are cooked well by now. At this final stage, I will add some fresh curry leaves, 1 green chilli and 1 teaspoon of the freshly ground masala. The remaining masala I have stored in an airtight bottle which can be used in other dishes. And now we'll mix the spices well so that they are well combined with the prawns. And friends, this prawn masala fry tastes amazing because of the freshly ground masala that makes this recipe so very flavorful and delicious. And our prawn masala fry is now ready to be served hot. And here goes our delicious and flavorful prawn masala fry. Enjoy this as a starter or as a side dish. So friends, I hope you will try this interesting prawn recipe. Also share your feedbacks and do subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.